All right, y'all. I know it's been a minute since I've dropped a video. Um, I was having some difficulties with my storage, and every time I went to record a live trading or a video, it would erase, right? So I fixed that. So now I'm back. So let's talk about today's trade. Today is Monday, the first day of the new year. I mean, of the new month. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Right, first day of the new month. We're in April. So first things first, right? So opening price started down here, right? Now off rip, I'm not gonna sell anything until it breaks down below, right? I need a for sure thing, right? As far as like if prices in this area, right? If prices in this area, nothing here right here is telling me that it's gonna sell, right? So I'm just looking at that and just waiting, right? So you get a push to the downside, right? But like I said again, it's not breaking anything. It's just in a dead zone, right? So you get a push to the downside, opening bell, then it corrects to the upward. Now I don't enter right here for this one reason, right? For this one reason. Um, you see right here, and then, I mean, you can see above it says Mondays is a high chance of a move happening after a move, right? And that's kind of what it did, right? With that huge impulse up. With this kind of right here, this is the hour, this huge impulse up, right? Into I call it like a liquidity trap. And I just say that because every time prices came, um, and it set these higher lows, um, you know, or lower highs, right? I should say, I guess. But you see one, two, three, right? They're all just there. Like anytime price comes in this area, it sells, right? So I was just waiting for the confirmation for a sale. And then once it confirmed, we got in the trade. It went 1,100 pips. It's still in profit. I think what it retraced, but like 500. So still in profit, 500 pips. But it did hit TP3 and TP4, so it went over 1,000. Didn't hit TP5, I don't think. Got really close down here, right? But that's what made me get into this trade today, right? I mean, very simple. Um, like I said, I just want to drop a quick video for you guys because I know I've been gone, missing action, but I'm back. So again, like I said, today is Monday, right? So on Monday, I was looking for what? I was looking for a for sure move, right? For one, I was looking for the possibility of a reversal, right? Which this kind of was, right? Because it brought up to reverse to the downside, right? I was looking for if it wasn't going through any of that consolidation, but that wasn't the case because we had very good volatility, prior. I mean, even right here, right pre-New York session, late London, you had price, still coming um or in the selling momentum, right? So um the signs were there, but you just had to be patient. It was a patient type of day. I would have liked to get in it a lot earlier, but this position was still pretty precise, especially with the back trace that we got like 100 pips of back trace, maybe 110, maybe 120 most, 120 pips back trace most, which is any lot size would have, you wouldn't have second thought. But yeah, so I took my money around 1,000 pips. But yeah, because I was looking for it to get here, it got here. I took it just because, Wicks areas of rejection, right? It's nothing solidifying that it's going to continue to sell down, right? So if it's just wicking there, I want to make sure that I get some of my money, if not all, especially if I'm at my goal, which I was, right? So those are just some things that I look for today, it being Monday, right? So we did get I would classify it as a reversal, right? Because it did buy up. But like I said again, it didn't do anything, right? It brought up to sell down, it brought up to really go into the move. So yeah, so we're going to be looking at the remainder of the week. Um, we'll see how price is reacting. We'll see how price is moving. But I mean, for a Monday, I like the volatility. Um, like I said, aside from making money, right, I like the volatility, right? Especially coming from a a consolidation week, like last week, right? I really like the volatility. Because you can see this is last week, right? And you can see today was a lot more smoother than anything from last week, right? It was a lot more smoother and it looks, I don't even want to say like more dense, but it just looks like more complete as far as like a flow. Like all of these moves down here, these moves, this Monday move was a reversal. Um, so that Monday did produce a nice move. I just did not catch it. Uh, Tuesday, we consolidated all session. Then at 3 o'clock, it dropped down. So Tuesday was just a waste. And then don't trade on Wednesdays, right? And then Thursday, pretty much consolidation day. And then, yeah. So, and Friday was a holiday, so it was a 3-day weekend. So yeah, I mean, you can see that week just didn't even start out too good, right? It didn't start out too good because I didn't react on the reversal for Monday. Like I said before, what I look for on the Monday, right? The ability for or the chance of price to reverse, right? And I don't even want to say reverse. That's just more, it makes it easier to understand, right? Because price didn't really reverse because if you can see from London to New York, we were always selling, right? London is sold, it just didn't sell that much, right? So then pretty much New York was the follow through, right? It just had that significant buy up to kind of trick people in a buy, right? And then pretty much take all their orders and go back into a sell. So um that's pretty much how today went. And that's why I entered the trade, right? I remained patient. I said that I wanted to make sure something was for sure. So if price would have broke this high, I would have brought it, but it didn't, right? Came up. It gave me opportunity for a sell. I took the sell, right? Which was going with the trend, the intraday trend, right? Um, because the intraday trend was selling, right? Because it sold from London to New York. So that's what it's doing right then and there. So that was the trend for that. So I traded with the trend, remained patient. As we got that huge, uh push up to the upside, then we got in for a sale. So I hope this call helped you guys. Um, just understand a bit of my mindset in the trading, and I'm gonna be dropping at least 2 more videos this week, so that'll be at least 3 videos this week. I just want to push it out and make sure you guys give me feedback because I want to make sure this content is like helpful because this is a free YouTube channel, right? I do have a course and signals and all that stuff right on Instagram. You can go to the link in bio, but on here I want to just I want to do more than just sell you something, right? I want to just show you guys that people are actually trading, right? I'm not making, you know, $500,000 a year trading, right? I'm making good money trading. Corporate, level money trading. You see what I got on? I just came from the gym, right? 6 o'clock, right? I have on whatever I want and I can still make what they make, right? Annually, right? But it is hard. But it's possible. But so yeah, you guys just leave me feedback. Follow me on Instagram. I only have one main Instagram. Then I have the business Instagram, Blueface affiliated. Uh, but you can see that at my page. So digital underscore money underscore Marv. Right, that's my IG. Digital, and I have a green. Uh, a green. Oh, well, it just have green in the place of the face. Um, I did that for marketing purposes. But yeah, so digital underscore money underscore Marv. Follow me on there. Subscribe to my channel, you guys, and yeah, leave some comments and let me know how this first callback, I think in 2 months was. Like I said, I'm gonna be dropping some more videos and hopefully these calls help you guys, right? So I'm gonna end it, and yeah, y'all have a great week, man. Have a great week. Set your goals, set your to-dos, be disciplined every day, right? The best trade you can make is the trade that you followed everything to a T, right? That may not be your highest grossing trade, right? But the trade you do when you do everything right, that will lead to those big, 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 big days, big months, and big years, right? I'm in the process of doing that as well. So, you guys just lock in and, subscribe to the channel and let's do it together. See you guys at the top because the bottom is not an option.